Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send crypto from crypto.com to a Metamask account. For that, first of all, you need to launch your crypto.com application, then tap on the account tab in the bottom. After that, select the crypto wallet option, and here you need to select the transfer option. Then tap on withdraw and select the external wallet option. Now tap on the plus icon or add wallet address option, and then it will show you the list of all of the cryptocurrencies that you can withdraw from your account. So select the one that you want to withdraw. So let's say you want to withdraw USDT, so you need to tap on USDT. Then it will show you the networks like currently in crypto.com you can send your USDT on ERC20 network, on Chronos, if you can find Solana, Polygon, Optimism, so bunch of different networks they have given. So you need to first select the network, then it will ask you to provide the wallet address. So in order to find this detail, you need to just open your Metamask mobile application, and then you just have to log in into it. After that, once you are on the wallet, you need to first select the same network that you have selected in your crypto.com account, which in my case is the Ethereum main network. Now we are using Ethereum main network and USDT, so we are basically want to transfer USDT based on the Ethereum main network. But if you notice that there is no USDT option, so first we need to import USDT here. So tap on the import token option, and in the search bar you need to search for USDT. Once you are able to find USDT, simply check on the mark right next to it so that you could select it. Then you need to tap on the next button in the bottom. After that, it will show you USDT, so you need to tap on the import button in the bottom right hand corner, and this way you will be able to import USDT on the Ethereum main network in your Metamask account. Now once this step is done, you just have to simply tap on the USDT that we have just imported, and here you need to just tap on the receive button in the bottom. Now once you tap on receive, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address, and this is what we needed. So you just have to copy the address from here, then come back to your crypto.com account and paste the address in this section. After that, in the wallet name, you need to give the Metamask as the wallet name and then press continue. On the next page, you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer, and you need to just follow further instructions in order to initiate the transaction. Now once the transaction is completed, you will receive your crypto from crypto.com to your Metamask account. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.